What is going on, guys? Brenton here. We are at our local deck hockey rink. There's Sean right there. And we got Elborn over there. We got Damien right there. We're not supposed to record him, so we're not. Well, so we were playing, and all of a sudden, this shit just started happening. Look at this. Yeah. It's craziness. So this rink got covered in olive minutes. So, oh shit! I got snow on my lens. So, and Damien just scored us.
Yeah, thank you. I'd like to thank Jesus and my coach and great teams. I'm looking forward to next year.
Alright, boys. So I'm going to record a couple of the shootout goals, or stops maybe, whatever they are, and put them together. Alright, guys.
You can do it!
Oh.
That's fucking hurt.
How do you feel?
That's fucking hurt. Oh.
You okay, boy?
Yeah, good. Yeah, I just slit my ass. Oh, that hurt. Ugh. Yeah, slit my ass. Oh, good boy.
I got you. How do you feel about this next shootout? How do you feel about the next shot?
Hoping the putt doesn't get away from me again.
Alright, well, let's go.
Rory!
We can go NHL.
Fucking snow.
Oh! How do you feel about that? Sean's up. You want to see him?
Starting out well.
Bo Bennett's gonna hurt himself. Just sitting in his truck. He's wearing shorts. We're gonna hand you off to Hayden here. Or DJ.
What's up? Sean is up next. And here he goes. Just wide.
Hit my foot.
How do you feel about that?
I'm glad that hit my foot.
Good. Sean?
Huh?
And here's Sean.
Fuck you.
Oh, okay. I just didn't tell. Brady Ken's about to hit the shot. Yeah!
Rickled in.
How do you feel?
You know, not a great shot, but puck luck. Lost in the snow for a second there, but retained it just enough to get the shot off.
Good job, man.
Alright, we'll hand it off to me. Damien decided to go up there and sit in his truck. I don't blame him. I might have forgot his pants to wear here. So, he was wearing shorts. But, so yeah, this is... We've only had one other game like this, and this was way before Sean's era with us.
Yeah, I was there.
And it was fucking craziness, dude.
Yeah.
Alright.
Good shovel.
Yeah. Oh, he doesn't have his glove on. God damn it, goalie. What? No, don't worry about a path. He was just doing it up there. Go! No, we're not Zambonian. How do you feel about this next one here?
I think
Yeah.
I can make it.
You have Hayden come down. He's nice last shot, but in this weather,
Yeah.
it might be a little bit difficult. Let's see what happens.
Yep, let's see what happens.
Here we go.
Now hold my hand.
So he looks like he's shoveling some snow there. Oh! Oh! He saved it! He saved it! What's wrong? There's no goal. We got Sean up now.
Hey, it's in the net.
He kicked it in the net, no goal.
What's up, man? Sean, I'm going it.
He just bought new tires for his truck, boys. Let's... Zamboni. Good? Oh my god, our fucking goalie. It's always something with him.
What's wrong with you?
Go! Oh, mother flurry! Get the fuck in the net! Jesus!
Fucking cock.
Come on, Bennett, let's go.
Fucking ready now?
I can hand you off to DJ again.
Mr. Handle. Come on, handle. No. Keep going. Outward as fuck are you? Save. Get up. Save. Good
That
job,
felt
babe.
good.
Good job, babe. Proud of you.
Out of my ear. Fucking glasses.
Sean, how do you feel about that? How do you feel about that last shot?
Pretty shitty. I thought I was going 5-hole.
Yeah.
It didn't go 5-hole. He saved it.
I'm sorry.
Fucking horseshit. I slipped.
It's okay. All right. Here comes Brittany 10 for the shot. Yeah! Good job, babe.
I'll try.
Good dolly. All right.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the recording here. This is really awkward to hold. Gonna end the recording here, put it all together. Put it on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be completely different than anything else. But yeah. See ya.